Hi there, so visual work instructions for a manufacturing process. What are they and why are they useful? Well, having things explained in a clear visual way, it can speed up the training process, reduce errors, and kind of help to standardize processes across a manufacturing company, which can lead to kind of improved productivity, improved efficiency, and improved quality. What visual work instructions means is taking photographs, taking videos of how the ideal manufacturing process should be performed, with the aim that it makes it easier for new hires or the rest of the team to replicate that process more closely. You know, they say a picture's worth 1,000 words, so having one video or image that just shows how this should be done is so much better and clearer to people than having lots of textual instructions explaining how something should be done. If you're going to generate those instructions, in the past it used to be taking pictures, printing it out on paper, putting it into a folder or laminating it and putting it on the work cell somewhere. These days, with tablets, with screens that you can put across the factory, a great solution is to have digital visual work instructions where an operator just scans a barcode and it presents it to them and steps them through the process. That's one of the key features in our Taskus manufacturing execution system. So let's just take a quick look at how that works today. Hi, so we've got our production dashboard here. This is what it looks like on a tablet on the shop floor. What I'm going to do first off is hit to run a production sequence, and then what it asks me to do first is pick a works order. So I've selected this and that's ready for the assembly stage. My production sequence loads up and I'll get started with that. So what happens, it's got a combination of clear visual work instructions. Here I've got a video of the process that I should take to build this Amazon Dot product. So maybe this is just part of a training process. It shows me a quick, easy, clear way of how to do that. And then I just kind of tap on the screen or on buttons to move on to the next stage in the process. This is also configured with data entry as well, so it's going to build a manufacturing traveler for myself. So as we go through each of these production stages, we're keeping track of what's being done right now, and it's taken me through in a really simple, straightforward process of exactly what I should do to make sure that it's consistent. So that's how our digital work instruction software works, and that's how it guides people through the production process. So I hope that makes sense. Any questions, drop us a comment below and we'll try to get back to you. Thanks very much.